Before we get started, let's talk a little bit about how this course works. Step by step, video by video, I will be walking you through the process of launching your own influencer marketing campaign. From creating a brief to finding influencers, reaching out, and measuring results. After I introduce each of these topics and share my best strategies, tips, and tricks, Rita will come in to show you the how. Hi, Rita.
Hi, Nicole. I'm so happy to be here.
Me too. Thanks so much for taking part in this course. Now, tell us, what will you be sharing with us?
Yeah, in summary, the nitty-gritty. By this, I mean that I'll be walking you through various tools and platforms that will help you both plan and execute on an influencer marketing campaign of your own, which is really awesome.
Cool. After Rita's walked you through these tools, we'll bring it all together with an activity. If you want to follow along with these, I suggest you click at the links at the bottom of the page to download our free influencer marketing templates.
Yeah, me too. It's going to be a lot of fun.
I couldn't agree more. Let's go.